It's Scott Wimpy here from First Aid, Accident and Emergency, the Defibrillator Specialist, official supplier to the Commonwealth Games and Parkrun Australia. I'm here today to show you how to change your CR Plus Defibrillator pad and battery pack. You'll know that your pad and battery pack needs replacing by checking the 3 LED indicators at the top of your defibrillator. As you can see on this particular device, we have only 2 dots and a battery symbol. There can be another arrangement where you only have 2 dots and a spanner symbol. In both cases, you need to contact us straight away and we'll organise to send you out a new pad and battery replacement pack. Once you receive your pad and battery pack, quite simply open up the pack, and what you'll find in here is replacement trickle charge battery and the replacement pads for your CR Plus defibrillator. Quite simply, on your defibrillator, on the bottom right hand side, there is a small clip that you quite simply take out the trickle charge battery. This is the old one, and then we replace it over with a new trickle charge battery. Now what you'll notice as well is when we do this, see the top 3 dots on the top? This will now change to OK on your device. The second step is quite simply to open up your defibrillator, and then from here,
Call for help now.
Hold this start on button
Remove
down.
all clothing from patients.
This will turn your defibrillator off. Quite simply, remove the defibrillator pads and the small tab. Like this, and change over with the new set. Quite simply plug this in, push the tab back in, and then this defibrillator is now ready to go. Once you've changed over your new pad and battery replacement pack on the CR Plus defibrillator, we always encourage just once to open the device to ensure that it fires up.
Call for help now.
And that ensures that it's now ready to go. So there you have it, changing out your pad and replacement pack for your CR Plus defibrillator. Head to our website now or call us on 55 205 068.